On April 24, the high-performance all-wheel drive version of the new Tesla Model 3 was officially launched. Its price is 335,900 yuan. Deliveries will be in the third quarter. The new car is equipped with a sportier appearance kit, high-performance chassis, sports seats, track mode V3 and a more different power system. Its maximum power reaches 460 horsepower. The 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 3.1 seconds and the CLTC cruising range is 623 km. Specifically, compared to the regular version of the Model 3, it features new sports kits, including front and rear frames, rear diffuser and carbon fiber spoiler. The overall style is more radical and more recognizable. However, unlike the North American market, where 20-inch forged wheels are also available, the wheels are only available in 19-inch sizes. The new car, which comes with a starry sky gray color as standard in terms of exterior color harmony, offers pearl white/deep sea blue/pure black/flame red paint options, in addition to the flame red paint option, which costs 12,000 yuan. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the vehicle are 4724/1848/1430 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,875 mm. In terms of interior, the overall layout remains consistent with the current model. The biggest change is the addition of carbon fiber decoration and elegant pattern styles, as well as sports seats with a stronger wrapping feeling that further enhances support. Both ventilation and heating functions are available. In terms of power, it is equipped with a dual-motor four-wheel drive system consisting of a front induction asynchronous motor and a rear permanent magnet synchronous motor. The system has a unified power 460 horsepower, 678 Nm maximum torque, 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time is 3.1 seconds, and maximum speed is 261 km/h. In terms of battery life, the new car will be equipped with a triple lithium battery pack with a capacity of 78.4 kWh, a CLTC cruising range of 623 km and an official energy consumption of 16.7 kWh per 100 km. In addition, the vehicle will also use an adaptive damping system consisting of front double wishbone/rear multi-link. Users will be able to adjust the suspension softness and hardness directly from the vehicle screen with Tesla's own developed software.